Now that we've made our way underneath the vehicle, we have a clear view of the neutral safety switch. It's right along the driver's side of the transmission, and it has this cable that runs to it. To get started, we're going to come right above the drive shaft. There's a nut that holds this arm on. We're going to remove that nut using a 15 millimeter. There it is. See if you can wiggle this off. If you can't wiggle it, just go ahead and grab a pry bar. Okay, swing that down and out of the way. The next thing we're going to do is use a forky tool that looks like this. Come right up along here. There's a little securing point for the wiring harness. Just go ahead and remove that from there. Now we're going to remove the wiring harness from the actual neutral safety switch itself. You can do that by grabbing the little tabs and then drawing the wiring harness off of it. Of course, take a peek at your connectors. Make sure they're in great condition. If you see any funny colors, you're going to need to service it. Take this one off. Pop that off, take a peek, looks great. So now all that's left, of course, is to clean down this area, and then we're going to go ahead and take out the mounting bolts. There's one right here, and one located near the electrical connectors. Next, it's time to remove the 13 millimeter mounting bolts, one right here, one over here next to the electrical connectors. I'm going to loosen this one as well. Grab onto that. You can wiggle it around a little bit. The next thing we need to do is be able to pull it off of this shaft right here that comes out of the transmission. So, carefully go in between your transmission pan here and the plastic housing and just try to pry it away. If you want to use a little bit of penetrant along the shaft, it's probably a great idea. Okay, it's sliding right off. This is great. Get that out of the way. There it is. All right, so now at this point, what you can do is you can take this, slide it back up over that shaft. Should want to go on there. Now you're going to use your forky tool, come right in between here and here. We're going to separate that. Now you can take this and you can go back 2 clicks. Ready? 1, 2. That's neutral right there. All right, if you need to double check it, just go ahead and go back all the way to the front. Park. 1's reverse, 2's neutral. We'll get this back off of here now. Now we're going to grab our new neutral safety switch. If you look at it, it's got this on it right here. That's already got it lined up so it knows when it's in neutral. So at this point, we're just going to slide it right over the shaft, and the bolt holes should line up exactly where they need to be. See if I can get this on there. Okay, that slid right on. This is looking good, right like that. Perfect. We can get our little tool out of there. That came in handy. We've got our 2 mounting bolts. Go ahead and start them both in before you tighten either of them down. Okay, just make sure they're snug. Perfect. Okay, just make sure they're snug. Perfect. Now it's time to get our arm back on there. We've got our nut. If you want to use a little bit of thread locker, we'll call it your prerogative, but you shouldn't have to. Okay. Now you're going to want to use an 11 millimeter wrench so you can hold this shaft still so it doesn't spin. Hopefully. And now we're going to tighten that up using our 15 millimeter. Just gonna hold it with the wrench, snug it up. Perfect. Push this all the way back to the front. That's the park position. Should line up perfectly with the cable, and it does. Go ahead and squeeze that together. Clicks right in. Make sure it does not fall out, and if your boot came off, make sure you slide that up. This one looks like it could use a wire tie. It's time to put in these electrical connectors. The bigger one goes on top. Make sure it goes all the way in and clicks. Give it a nice tug. That feels great. Do the other one. Make sure it locks in. Tug, feels good. We've got our securing area here. Anchor point, slide that in. Beautiful. Double check everything. This looks good, looks good. Everything looks great under here. If you by chance have any fluid like what we do, I would just clean it down. And then let's get up top and check to make sure that our indicator's lined up. So let's run through the gears. We've got reverse, neutral, drive. Oh, this is perfect. Awesome. If by chance your indicator is off for some reason, you would just loosen your mounting bolts again, just a teeny bit. Rock this a teeny bit in one direction or the other until it lines up. Then go ahead and snug it and recheck it.